Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials. Sign out of Teams, then sign back in to refresh your session. Once signed in, make sure your account has an active license and that system time is correct. Mismatched time blocks off. Next, confirm network quality, prefer wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, roughly 5 to 20 Mbps for reliable calls. Finally, close heavy background apps to free CPU and memory. This prevents app freezes and speeds up troubleshooting. Once done with sign-in and network checks, update the Teams client and your operating system to remove known bugs. Use the 64-bit build when possible for better performance. Then, update audio and webcam drivers and test devices in your OS sound settings so Teams can detect them correctly. If problems persist, clear the Teams cache or perform a clean reinstall. This removes corrupt files that block startup. Make sure to sign back in and reauthorize device permissions after reinstalling. To finish, inspect network filters, disable VPN or check proxy settings, and confirm firewall allows Teams traffic and necessary ports. If you need isolation, open the Teams web client in a supported browser to see if the app or account is at fault. Testing another device quickly narrows the cause. Finally, gather logs and timestamps, then escalate to IT or Microsoft support with the exact steps you tried. If nothing works, one key tip: try an alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.